everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today we have some pin mail. So, as you may or may not know, I've recently started collecting pins. Mike has recently started collecting pins, and it has been a slippery slope into Disasterville. I have 4 packages here, more at the house. I think I have more coming. It's getting out of control. So I just want to jump into it. We'll see what these are, because I can only vaguely remember. So it might be a surprise to me too. So this one, I do know this one is for Mike. I don't know if you guys remember, but Mike's very small, we're talking 1 pin, pin collection is Pascal. That's who he decided he wanted to collect. So I found this pin for sale. It was part of the Park Pals mystery set. So, I mean, I've already given it away. You know what's in here. It's Pascal! And he is adorable. He's got a cute little smile. He's climbing up Rapunzel's tower. I mean, just look at his little face. So cute. So, pin number 1 for Mike. 1 down, 3-ish to go. This one I think is probably for me. Oh, look at him. Yes. So this is a Lucifer pin. And if you didn't know, my first official pin collection was Lucifer, thanks to my friend Seth Lavender. I love cats, I love villains, it's just the perfect fit. This super cute one is actually a Disneyland Paris pin. Look at that face. Oh, he's trying to get somebody. Probably Gus. Probably took too many corn kernels at breakfast. So cute. I cannot wait to add him to my collection. There's the back. This one is a package from TikTok Crock Shop. I got turned on to them by my friends Laura and Ryan at disney.pin.love, who I am meeting up with this week. So I found them on Instagram. Here's their card. They had a couple of sale boards, and I was like, oh yes, I need these. They have a cute sticker. Sleepy, always tired. Oh my gosh, cute. I feel that. And I got 2 pins from them. See, I told you it was 4-ish. Oh, one of them's for my dad. Can't show you that. Can't show you that. Maybe one day you can see my dad's pin collection, which is way better than mine. Again, if you follow my channel, you know that my other big collection is the Evil Queen. And here is one of hers, the old hag. For some reason, I just really love the old hag. She is so delightfully creepy. I just love her. Look at the detail. Even the old hag paints her fingernails. I've just really got to get my life together. So So I love that one. Here's the back. Can't show you my dad's pin because he doesn't know that I got it. So that leaves us with one last pin. Be a short and sweet video, right? This pin is from Anyone Can Pin, Roxy on Instagram. Spoiler alert, I actually just got another pin from her. She has some good stuff. So she has a super cute sticker with her logo on it. And, oh, cool. Oh, cool. A magnet. You see, it's like iridescent. That is awesome. That's so cool. It's the first time I've gotten a magnet in a package. I like that. I never have too many magnets. And then this pin is from one of the new mystery sets. It's the Magic Makers. And they're little like spinner pins. You guessed it, it's the Evil Queen. Here's the back. Show you close-up detail of it. So you have the Evil Queen, who's looking very Wilma Flintstone-y. And she has her magic mirror. You spin it. There's the poison apple. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, how cute is that? I love it. And it's very glittery. I think it's so hard to tell because it's glittery, but I think that is supposed to be the old hag. Kind of see there's her chin and her jowls and her eyes and eyebrows. Old hag. Poison apple. So when I saw that, I knew I had to have it. There's also a Maleficent one that I would like to add to my collection, but this was definitely a must have. And I believe it was actually my friend Seth Lavender who told me that Roxy had this available. So thank you, Seth. So that's it. I think that's going to do it for us today. Let me know what your favorite pin was. Thank you guys for visiting. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.